Hello. In this video we will discuss how to write a PhD dissertation. Start with a clear outline to organize your ideas and structure your thesis efficiently. Ensure each chapter aligns with your research question and contributes cohesively to your argument. Frequent communication with your supervisor helps maintain focus and receive timely feedback on your progress. Maintain detailed notes of sources and references to save time when compiling your bibliography. Regularly review and adjust your timeline to meet deadlines and prevent last-minute rushes. Incorporate breaks into your schedule to prevent burnout and enhance overall productivity. Seek support from peers or writing groups for motivation, feedback, and solidarity during challenging times. Clearly define the scope of your research to avoid veering off topic or becoming overwhelmed by excessive details. Consistent formatting throughout your thesis improves readability and aids in comprehension of complex ideas. Use tools like citation management software to efficiently organize and reference sources within your thesis. Regularly back up your work to prevent accidental loss of data and ensure you have multiple copies for safety. Write regularly, even if it's just small sections, to maintain momentum and prevent writer's block. Seek feedback from peers in your field for diverse perspectives on your work and potential areas of improvement. Utilize templates or examples of successful theses in your field as a guide for structure and content. Stay updated on academic conventions in your field to ensure your thesis meets scholarly standards. Maintain a balance between academic rigor and readability to cater to both specialists and general readers. Proofread meticulously to catch errors in grammar, spelling, and formatting before final submission. Consider hiring a professional editor for a fresh perspective and polished presentation of your thesis. Utilize visualization tools such as graphs or diagrams to illustrate complex data or concepts effectively. Take breaks during editing sessions to maintain focus and ensure thoroughness in proofreading. Include a clear introduction that sets the stage for your research question and establishes its significance. Seek guidance from academic writing centers or workshops for additional support in refining your writing skills. Engage in discussions with academic experts or colleagues to gather insights on improving the quality of your thesis. For further writing help, you can connect with our expert writers to get thesis writing help. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your thesis writing.